Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to give you an overview of the EZ Lynk AutoAgent 2.0. This is EZ Lynk's AutoAgent 2.0. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this to show you what you get with the kit before I go over some of the new features of the AutoAgent 2.0. So this one, this EZ Lynk AutoAgent 2.0, this is linked to our buddies at GDP Tuning. So what do you get inside the box? Well, EZ Lynk does a really good job with their packaging, by the way. I know I talk about that quite a bit, but they do a good job. Fancy box. All right, so inside of the box, you are going to see the AutoAgent itself right off the bat. These are very Apple-ish boxes, but you're going to see the AutoAgent right off the bat. The AutoAgent itself is the device that you are going to use for your monitoring and tuning. This is a smaller device than the previous one. There's a big sticker on it that says open this in. There is this new device is smaller than its predecessor. It's got more mounting points, faster processor. You're going to notice that on this there are a couple of different wiring drops here. These drops are for some of the new models that the AutoAgent 2.0 is going to be able to monitor and tune. So EZ Lynk is going to start into the Class 8 and possibly medium duty market, as well as getting into the UTV market. So being able to monitor parameters for the UTVs, so your razors and whatnot, which is really popular right now. So a lot of guys that have got diesel trucks have also got side by side. So this is going to be the future of all that. Of course, you've got your OBD2 drop that's already on here for light duty passenger vehicles. One of the nicest features that they've got going on with the EZ Lynk now is used to your EZ Lynk itself had its status lights that flashed on the device itself, but this actually mounts underneath your dash. Now your status light is actually going to flash on the OBD2 port, so you're going to know what the status of the device is at all times while it's hooked up. All right. Next, you have the holder that's a windshield mount. This windshield mount is for your phone or whatever device you decide to do your real-time monitoring with. The EZ Lynk device offers you to be able to download the app for the Apple and Android phones, and you just simply connect to the AutoAgent itself. You can monitor your truck's parameters. You will do your tuning. Your tuning pass-through will kind of go through your phone there. So they send this holder for your phone, and then inside the box you have got an unlock cable or a data link cable for certain platforms, a real nice EZ Lynk sticker that comes with it. Then that's the expandable cord, and then a couple zip ties. A couple of other good features about the new AutoAgent. I said that this is faster. This has got a much faster processor inside of this, so this is going to be a lot more seamless in your tuning and your monitoring, as well as it is going to be add-on capable or expandable. So hopefully they'll be coming out with some expandable probes, so we can monitor different parameters on the vehicle, stuff that you don't monitor directly through the ECM PIDs. Hopefully you can monitor that externally. So that's some of the new features of the EZ Lynk 2.0. This is one of our hottest selling items right now, and this is the future of tuning. Cloud-based tuning is definitely the future, and this is the way everything is going. So if you have a question about EZ Lynk or any of the other products that we offer, please give us a call. So in our intro to the AutoAgent 2.0 or AutoAgent 2, we told you that the status light was on the OBD2 drop. And when Adam and I got to looking at this, I was like, where in the world would the status light be on this OBD2 drop? We thought we were going to have to reshoot it. Well, let me show you. So we came down, brought it to a truck and powered up. I'll show you what we got here. That's your status light right there. Red on means it's not ready to go just yet. And once the AutoAgent is ready. The AutoAgent itself lights up. And then the status light will go back blue on the OBD2. There we go. So you can always look down there, know my blue light's up, I know my AutoAgent is connected, and we're ready to go. Thanks for watching.